Hey, this is June from Turning Point Life Investment, and this is your stock market analysis for December 17th, 2011. All right, so the market just continues to drift lower this week. I was expecting some kind of a rebound last week as the prices came back towards the gap area. So far, it's not really doing a whole lot this week, and it seems like it's just kind of making its way ever so slowly downwards towards the bottom of this gap here, which is around the 121, 120 and a half area. So give or take around that area. But you can see, even though we are making these moves lower, the intensity of the selling hasn't exactly picked up. So, from a bullish standpoint, it just seems like it's a normal low volume selling pressure. But if things do start picking up, and if we actually close beneath this gap, then obviously I'll change my tune. But for the time being, it seems like the market it's just kind of drifting lower. So I'll still give the bulls the benefit of the doubt. But the longer time they take to try to push this market higher, the fewer the chance that we're going to get this year-end rally that everyone's been talking about. So time's ticking basically for the buyers to really step in before the end of the year, which is basically 2 weeks away. But other than that, I mean, there's this. It's the same tune to this market. It's just been very choppy. So in terms of trading, there's really not a whole lot that's going on, and so just continue to be very cautious in this market. One thing I do want to point out, just kind of sidetrack a bit, is gold, and I do want to say that gold is starting to break support. Well, it actually did break support, so I would be very cautious holding gold if you are holding this position, especially seeing how it broke this long-term support line right there. Okay, on high volume, large dark candle. So I'll be very cautious about this stock, and I would definitely reconsider owning this stock because we've seen the exact same thing happen to silver right there. So you don't want that same thing to happen to you with gold. Okay, so just reconsider your positions and really ponder upon whether this is something that you want to consider holding, especially given that the signs are there that the top has been placed for gold.